Hey, what's up, guys? JH Tech here. Here for a JH Tech session. Today I'm gonna talk about how to get the most performance out of your computer with these tips and tricks. So let's get started. So first, you wanna open up your task manager and go to startups, and then you should check which one has the most impact in your startup. So click this. The arrow should be downwards. Um, Usually want to disable the top ones. Top ones are the ones that has the most impact. But if you know that you want that application open when you start up, then you should enable it. So for me, I have my background audio on and Razer RGB lighting on. That's that Razer application is so that I can have RGB lighting on my keyboard, and this is so I can control my audio in the background. And then I disabled everything else, so like Cortana, I don't need to talk to it. Java update, I don't know what that is. Flux, that's one of my coding. Steam, Kakao Talk, Spotify. I can just open them up manually if I want, but I don't want them to open up automatically, so it slows my startup. Yeah. So next, you should uninstall any applications that you don't use. So if you type uninstall, you go to control panel, uninstall a program, then you can have all these programs that you can uninstall. Or you could do add or remove programs. It's about the same thing, but they're more. This one control panel has the main programs, the programs that you probably installed applications, and then these are like the default applications like 3D viewer. I probably don't need alarm clock. I can't disable that. Battle.net, I want that. Like Candy Crush Friends, I don't even play that, and that's 200 megabytes. Alright, uninstalled. Feedback hub, I don't need that feedback. Get help. Oh, I can't install that. Yeah, just any useless things that are on here. You probably need this. Alright, next. So this one you have to search Partplan and choose a Partplan. You want to press high performance. It says favors performance but uses more energy. Oh, it may use more energy. It actually does use more energy, but it's not noticeable. So it says it's recommended to put it at balance, but when you put it at balance, your CPU is limited. My max gigahertz that I can go to is 3.9, I think, but it limits it to lower, so your game performance goes down. Right now it's at 1.3, 1.2.5, but then when you put it to high performance, bam, 3.9. I think 3.9 is my highest. It just keeps it at the max level, so you get the max performance out of it. All right. And power saver, you don't want to use that if you want performance. All right. So next is you want to go to advanced system settings. Then you want to go to performance, then press settings. Then this is for if your PC is lacking it, or you really want the performance instead of the visuals. So if I change it to adjust to best performance here, it actually changes the font and some background. See right there? It's not bolded now actually. So even if you close this tab, it's like instant. There's no animations. There's no useless animations that could slow your PC speed down. And the font and the like bam right there. The fonts look a little ugly though. But then if you want some visuals, then and if your PC is not that bad, then you should if you want, alright, just put it to there if you want visuals, and put it to there if you want performance. Next is so when you're doing something like gaming or coding and you don't want lag or anything, then you should close everything down. Well, every applications that you don't use. You usually don't want to close most of the applications on here because it's important for your computer to run. Yeah, your computer needs like these. Yeah. But anything under here you can delete. I don't have, actually I can actually delete mail or end it because I'm not using it. You can do something like that. I don't have anything else, I think. Microsoft Store. I've never used that in my life. So you just end task. Yeah. Anything else? Well, I have some Chrome tabs open, but I want to use them later. So, alright, next. You want to search defragment and optimize drives. You want to do these weekly or monthly. I do them once a week, or you can actually put optimization schedule, so when your computer is on, then it automatically runs a schedule. I put it weekly, so yeah. It just clears your, yeah, it just optimizes it for a better performance. So next would be just restart your computer once a day or once every few days. That's the best way to clear out memory that it might be slowing down, or useless memory that might be slowing your PC down. Yeah. And we're gonna talk about memories here. If you have 8 gigabytes of memory, you should consider buying 8 gigabytes of more RAM. Whatever you have, DDR4. I have DDR4, but I used to have 8 gigabytes of RAM actually. Back then, I could only have one application open, the game, and I couldn't have anything else open because it would slow down my entire system. But now, once I have 16 gigabytes, I can have like 20 tabs open, and I can have Battleground in the background, or StarCraft 2 running, or Minecraft, or Valorant. Yeah, that's something to upgrade if you're lacking the memory. So my last tip is, if someone else has a similar spec as you, but yours is running a little slower, then you should consider updating your drivers. If that doesn't work, take it to a shop or upgrade your hardware. Actually, you can upgrade things such as SSD, like if you have a HDD hardware or hard disk drive to a SSD solid state drive, or upgrade your CPU. i5, if you have an i5 6th gen, you can upgrade to 10th gen, the latest one, or you can upgrade your GPU. Yeah, that will definitely up your performance in gaming or anything. So that's it for today. I hope you got something out of this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more. subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.